Am I there? I'm live now. Okay, I'm just gonna put the kids to bed, or they're in bed, but they might come in here, so we're just gonna go with it. All right. So what we're gonna do, guys, is go over to system. I just started promoting system, guys. I have leads. I don't have any sales in there though, but I think I've got 25 leads in there so far. Because it's a free system, I'm not expecting it to make any money, but who knows if someone takes off in there and starts getting a big email list. All right, so we're going to go over to the dashboard here. Okay, main dashboard. So we want to go to funnels. This is the Cheetah funnel. Here's how it's set up, right? So I've got my FNA network.system.io Cheetah raw. That's going to be my landing page. So I want to edit the page. Very simple, guys. So here's like a headline text, a subheadline, an email form, and a button. So the form, you can see the gear thing, guys, is where you edit the actual button itself, and that'll be on the left. If you're a ClickFunnels user, it's on the right, but this one's on the left. So you have all your stuff that you need to edit there. Actually, when the button's clicked, send form and go to custom URL. Now the custom URL you want to go to is you want to go to Warrior Plus, right? And then you want to find the Cheetah method, and then you want to get the link here. So yours look different than mine, but you want to get that link right there. So we'd copy that, and then we'd go back to the editor and we'd put it in there. I send it to my raw page so that if someone's already got a cookie planted, then someone else gets the sale, so I don't get the sale. So if someone's already been there and then they sign up on my list, but it's just me being the vendor, I'm making it fair for people. But otherwise, you would put the list in there. That's all you have to do with this, guys. And this is really easy to edit. You know, you can move this stuff around. You can put it down here. You can put it back up here. You can just type into it. You can, you can highlight stuff and then change the color, Anyway, it's a text editor. You can play around with it. You won't mess it up. But this is what you get. Okay, so we're gonna save changes. We're gonna get out of here. Now, I'm not super familiar with system, but I kind of figured it out. So emails, campaigns. Now I gave you the campaign to import. So this is it. So what happens is, congrats on another sale. So this is the first message that goes out. Right here, guys, is where you want to put your Cheetah method link from Warrior Plus, right? And same with this one. Now this one, download your 10K in 30 days cheat sheet. This is where you actually put your rebranded PDF. So if I preview, let's see. Let me just copy the link. If I copy the link, this is my rebranded version. Oh, this is my other one. This is my other cheat sheet. So you would put your, see guys, this is another cheat sheet that I made that just a walkthrough, step through. In here, I should change that to Cheetah method. Excuse me. And then it'll be the same. But anyways, these are just some links. You guys can remove that, put your name in there. But each one of these emails, you just want to have it go to the next thing, right? And then here's where your timing is. So this is the first email. So we go back, exit. So the second email, right? Again, put your Cheetah links in there. Make sure you put your cheat list, the branded PDF in there. But over here, you'll see activate settings. So this email is going to be sent 5 hours after the first email. And that's how that's done. And then your contacts just go in there, and that's pretty much it, guys. This thing connects to itself. It's pretty easy to going back to the funnel. I can't remember exactly how I attached. Maybe here's the settings, funnel, domain, automations, rules. Yeah, so funnel step rule. So subscribe to a campaign, and then they get the Cheetah method campaign. So this is the thing. So you put your you put your trigger here. So funnel step from subscribe. So Cheetah Method, they subscribe to Cheetah Method. They subscribe to the campaign, they go on my list, and then I add a tag to them saying they're Cheetah. So that's kind of it, guys. That's that system in a nutshell. It should be really straightforward. Just import the two, import the funnel, and then import the email series, and then just change out the links. Make sure your trigger is on, and then make sure you test it. Test it so you opt in and see that you opted into your account. All right, I think that's it. If you're watching this on my YouTube, make sure you hit subscribe. Down below, I'll give you a link to get the Cheetah Method. What it is it's basically, it's a $7 product. You download it. It walks you through either setting this up on ClickFunnels, which it walks you through, or you can set it up on here system. And then what you're able to do is give away that PDF, but that PDF has all your links in it. That's what Cheetah Method is. So all those links would be yours. So you give someone a PDF and they click and they go ClickFunnels, you get commissions. They get Aweber, you get commissions. They get system. If they upgrade, you get commissions. If they go register a domain at Namecheap, you get commissions. If you're in Legendary and they sign up to Legendary, you get commissions, like that, so on. So there's a whole bunch of links in it for you to rebrand and get as your own. All right, that's it, guys. I just wanted to give you a quick update. I'll throw this up again if you're on my YouTube channel. This has been my system affiliate marketing funnel walkthrough kind of thing for my product, the Cheetah Method, which is on Warrior Plus. You can find it there, or I'll put a link below on YouTube so you can pick it up there. That's it, guys. Cheers.